Cheese.
Cheese, monster truck. Put it on the ground so I can take a video. See, my mommy built this monster truck.
Mommy, it's just a pretty monster.
Waylon, smile.
Cheese.
Good job, buddy.
Ow. Ow.
It's made out of Legos. Says I had to be 5 years old to play with it. So we're gonna watch him and make sure he doesn't eat it. What's Waylon cooking?
Macaroni and cheese.
You want that to cooking the cheese?
Yeah. Don't put that on the stove, buddy. You will melt it.
Ha! Ha!
It is.
It's very hot.
Yeah, it's really hot.
Here, look.
It's so really soft.
It's soft.
He's saying for him to be soft. Be gentle, you're being careful. He's being soft to the hot. Don't touch.
Look, it's bubbles.
Yeah, there are bubbles.
Yeah. Big bubbles and little bubbles.
Yeah.
Okay?
Okay, but he turned the heat down. It's about to bubble over.
Turn it down more from low.
I don't know, stir it. It's bubbling over. The bubble. I literally just watched the bubbles get bigger. You gotta stir it. Wait until say, Daddy, stir it.
Daddy, do it.
Okay, buddy. You're in charge.
Do it, bubbles.
Daddy's gonna help you. Tucky, you have a big smile?